Once upon a time, there was a cheerful little girl who could not sleep during all night because she was looking forward to travel to Paris. At the same time, there was a boy who neither could sleep due to the hair-raising sounds of the army and victims' screams. The following day was going to be highly significant for both. After the sunrise, little Annie started to get the suitcase ready. Her mom wrote her down a list of toiletries and traveling clothes, the brushed teeth and the toothpaste, the comb, the eau de toilette, the shampoo and shower gel, her favorite coat, scarf, gloves, trainers, dresses, until she could not zip the suitcase zipper. Everything just in case. Simultaneously, Karim was told to grab everything he was able in seconds. His pair of trainers, an overly used jacket, and the unique shirt he would owned. Their destinations were waiting for them. Annie was amazed and frightened to see the real dimensions of a plane. Nevertheless, she was calmed down by her parents and she knew it was going to be the first time of numerous trips. In contrast, Karim was shocked of finding himself in an unsafe boat surrounded by the greatness of the sea. Moreover, the uncertainty of making it was missing his parents' head. Once Annie arrived to Disneyland, the colorful and magical atmosphere based on her favorite films and its characters caused her being speechless. This family was fortunate to be together, having a great time they may never forget. Nonetheless, they could not imagine that many other families like Karim's were fighting for their lives in lamentable conditions. Lots of refugees, including Karim's and his parents, reached Spain, having faith in receiving some help so they could build a better future for their children.